Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you are good and healthy as you are taking proper precautions against coronavirus. I hope that you all are obeying your parents and doing your studies nicely. This is the time when you have to focus on your health to protect yourself from different viruses. Stay strong, stop coronavirus. Children, today I am here to take your English classes. I hope that you all will enjoy doing the work. For this, I request all the parents to take out their English workbook. In this book, we all will do page number 8. In this page, we will do sleeping line on two dots. As the children are all aware of this line, and previously they have done a lot of worksheets regarding this sleeping line. And page number 10 also we will do today. In this page we will do a practice of these two strokes. First is standing line and second is sleeping line. I request all the parents to fill the index properly where they have to mention the date and classwork in front of the date. Now students, you all are ready with your pencil, eraser and workbook. Now I request all the parents to firstly take out index and mention on page number 8 today's date, that is 25 May 2020, and in front of this mention classwork. And page number 10, today's date 25 May 2020 and classwork. Now students, you have to take out page number 8 where you will do sleeping line on two dots. Before starting your work, you have to mention the date on this page. 25 May 2020 and tick on the classwork. Now in this page you have to do sleeping line. Previously you have done a lot of worksheets regarding this sleeping line. In this you have to join the dots left to right. What is this students? Sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. In the same way you have to do this second line. On third line, you all are seeing there are only two dots. In this, you have to touch these two dots. Like left to right. Sleeping line. I request all the parents, they have to practice while speaking with each line. They have to speak while they are making each stroke. Left to right, sleeping line. Join the dots, left to right, sleeping line. Join the dots, left to right, sleeping line. Now students, in the same way, you have to complete this full page. Now I request all the parents to take out page number 10. And before starting this, again mention the date, that is 25 May 2020, and put a tick on the classwork. In this page, the students have to practice these two strokes. First is standing line. You have to join the dots, standing line. In this, two dots are there. You have to join these two dots. Standing line, standing line, standing line. Students have to speak while making each and every stroke. Now in this, you have to draw a sleeping line. Left to right, left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Now in this way, students, you have to complete this page number 10. and we will meet in our next session. Thank you.